This wasn't just a roof replacement. This was a 5th floor rooftop living space built out with decking, large planters, and a glass railing all sitting on top of lightweight concrete deck. When the roof failed, there was no margin for error. When we first walked the Maple Street project in Beverly Hills, it was immediately clear this wasn't a standard roof. The entire 5th floor roof is an active amenity space. There's extensive decking, large planters, and a glass railing around a full perimeter. Because of the amount of decking and planters, the general contractor had to relocate everything to one side of the roof so work can begin. That required the project to be completed in 2 phases. We completed the first phase on schedule. The second phase required waiting until the amenities were repositioned again. In situations like this, the roofing timeline had to lead the project, not follow it. Logistics were another major factor. Street access wasn't practical, so we coordinate with a nearby car dealership to use their lot for shoots and material staging. That made the job safer, more controlled, and far more efficient than trying to load from the street. One of the biggest mistakes on a project like this would be installing a single-ply system. With that amount of foot traffic, detailing, and the type of substrate involved, that approach would create a long-term vulnerability because the decking is lightweight concrete. We also had the manufacturer write the roof specification on their letterhead for the general contractor. That ensured the system was designed correctly from the start. The completed roof now carries a minimum life expectancy of 25 years. The project is a good example of how commercial roofing should be approached, by understanding a building, choosing the right system, and controlling the process instead of reacting to problems.